Hello, my name is Jason Schneider. I've worked with major marketers and small independents providing equipment and services to the propane industry for 22 years now, and a lot has changed since I started in 1998. One of the biggest changes our industry is facing is how to continue to provide a superior level of service with a seemingly shrinking employment pool to draw from. How to do more with less. And embracing the advancements our industry is making in technology may be the key to becoming more efficient and more profitable. Here I would like to share with you my knowledge of telemetry solutions designed to help companies like yours do just that, as well as some of the challenges the application of telemetry and LPG can bring to our business and the lives of our customers. Certainly you've already been approached by companies offering various telemetry solutions and have probably looked into tank monitoring as a possible way to streamline your business services. You've heard the pros and the cons, but let's experience it again by getting to know both sides of the argument. Let's recap the standard claims that any sales rep will present to you. Optimization of logistics, reduction of transportation costs, improved risk management, increased cost effectiveness, improved forecasting accuracy, stock management and inventory turnover efficiency, and the overall increase in work productivity. Not sold yet? Maybe I'll expound on the intangibles, like improved customer relations, increased business transparency, company branding, upselling potential, proactive service, and greater ability to accurately monitor and predict the customer's usage to improve customer loyalty. And it's all true, for the most part. But will your rep show you all the aspects, the tricks, the traps, the pitfalls you may encounter on the way to your new streamlined path to greater profitability? After all, you have to consider the pros and the cons to make an informed decision. So how about those pros? Optimization of logistics. Tank monitoring gives real, accurate level data that is far more useful than the traditional best guess methods of degree days or K-factors. Better stock management. Knowing exactly the quantity and location of your fuel stores allows you to better plan your deliveries, which will lead to more accurate forecasting for your fuel contracting and placement. Reduction of transportation costs. Do you really know what it costs to operate a propane bobtail? Some estimates put that cost at over $5 per mile. Tank monitoring lets you make the most efficient use of your delivery vehicles by allowing you to make larger, more efficient drops while avoiding short filling and wasted trips to conserve your miles. Inventory turnover increase. Delivered where you want, when you want, based on actual data to move more propane in less time to turn your gallons more effectively. Productivity increase. By making only the stops you really need to make each day, you can accomplish more with less, reducing man hours and conserving equipment. Increase of cost effectiveness. Make efficient stops, less man hours, and reduction of operation costs. It all adds up to more efficient and profitable delivery. All of these benefits lead to more cost-effective operations, and last but not least, an increase in customer satisfaction, which leads to customer loyalty and referrals.
So now you say, so what's the catch? These are the things your rep may not want to get into before you buy in. Do they always work? Who will install the monitors? How will I get the service to maintain them? How do I integrate with my back office system to take advantage of the data I receive? Will my data be safe? What is my competition doing? Are there back-end or hidden costs? Will I get the profits I was promised? What are the unknowns? The human factor. Let's face it, our industry, like most people, usually doesn't like change. All your doubts, headaches, and uncertainties will be dismissed by the rep with a simple, "Don't worry, we'll handle it. You'll be satisfied." After all, they have hundreds of thousands of monitors in the field, with hundreds of clients, right? But you know, every project is different. Every company needs to manage its resources differently. How do you really know? There may be many moving parts in your business model with many different views and priorities. The CEO may be concerned with economies versus investments, and which one will get the upper hand. The CFO is concerned with capital expense versus operational expense. The CPO is interested in the human aspect, headcount, and social responsibility. The COO has to deal with change management, KPIs, profits, and performance management. There are issues of regulatory compliance, ISO, and ecology for the safety director. The CIO will be concerned with data safety, IT infrastructure, and redundancy. L&P will need to deal with system integration and implementation work. The CTO will question service management procedures, data updates, and communication. At the very end, you'll have to sell it to your labor force, who will undoubtedly wonder, why do we need to change anything? Everybody joins in with the effect of telemetry will have on their jobs, and your solution has got to satisfy all of them. The pros of telemetry really do seem great, but why does it have to be so complex? Can't there be an easier way to achieve the same objective? To have all this data with less hassle and engagement of resources? Does anyone have a solution like that? And it may be at this point someone in your boardroom or management team may say, have you heard of the RMR model of telemetry? RMR, Recurrent Monthly Revenue. It's based on pure OPEX, one charge up front and a fixed recurring monthly fee for data services. No hassle with installation, servicing, or disposal of devices. No hidden costs, no unseen expenditures. Any service, you name it, and RMR has it covered. You just purchase the data access, set your KPIs with the RMR provider, and start receiving your telemetry data. The provider takes care of the devices from installation to disposal. They handle all the service and administer all the changes. All of your capital and operational expenses are agreed upon up front and set for the life of the agreement. Do you like this business model? And this is how the dream of serviceless telemetry comes true. Device installation, service, programming, integration, deployment, and a host of other necessary actions is tunneled and operated by the supplier. What you, the customer, get is clean and orderly data on the basis of which you can manage your LP operations efficiently and smoothly without unseen hassles and unexpected expenses. RMR allows you to budget your deployment in the way that is best for your size business, big or small, corporate or independent. This is an investment that pays off not only in money, but also in peace of mind and mutual satisfaction with a supplier that has your success at its forefront. Most certainly you will have questions and doubts, but if you want to see the path to worry-free implementation of telemetry for your propane business, let us show you the way. Maybe it's time to simplify your business and join our club of relaxed clients.